Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks video where we'll walk you through how to change the SIM card and memory card on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G or your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, just the standard 4G model, because ultimately they're the same smartphone apart from the radios and bits on the inside. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, so you have your shiny new Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, as we do. We're actually working on our long-term review of this device, which will be out soon on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. So if you don't already, make sure you're subscribed and ding that notification bell. You'll be told when we do release that video. So as you can see, I have my Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, and the thing to do is find at the top of your device where there is a little port, you can just see it in the reflection here, with a little hole at the side of it. It's important that this is the one with the port. And you take your SIM ejector tool, either the one that came with your smartphone or a paper clip, and you pop that into the little hole in the port. And when you do that, you just push gently, vertically in, and the port will open up. So that will give you the little SIM tray, which is here. Now, obviously, I've already set up my smartphone as I did in the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G setup video that we did. But just to look at it from here, you see the SIM tray has two sides to it. It's a two-sided one, where I have on one side a memory card. Specifically here I have a SanDisk Extreme 128 gigabyte one, so I was really increasing the storage on my device. And I have a SIM card, in this case an O2 one. So you can pop that out. There's a little hole in here to push your SIM tray ejector tool out. So in this case I want to pop that down. I do want to keep my memory card in the device, so I'll make sure that that's there for when I put it back in. But just so that you're sure, you're aware, you can actually put two SIM cards in this device. And for example, this is the one I've just taken out. It's an O2 SIM card. I can put that in the SIM2 slot if I want to. It goes sideways rather than longways as the micro SD card went. And on the other side, you have a slightly smaller one, which only takes a nano SIM. So you can pop that in that way. But in this case, specifically, I do want to keep my memory card in. So I'm going to take that O2 SIM card out and pop that SanDisk Extreme 128 gigabyte memory card in. Now, the important thing to remember is make sure the contacts are facing outwards from the tray. And the same can be said for the SIM card. Make sure those metallic contacts are facing out. Once you've done that, you can pull up the phone and you'll see that this will go back in the way it came out. So make sure you have the whole side aligned with the part of the tray that doesn't have any depth to it. And you just gently slot your SIM card and memory card in the tray down and click. It's very, very simple, very easy to do, and that's it. So once you've done that, you can turn your phone on and the job is done. So thank you for watching this quick walkthrough on how to change your SIM card and memory card on the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. As I said at the beginning, this is also applicable to the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, the non-5G version, because they're pretty much the same phone. If you don't already, please do subscribe to us here on YouTube. If you have any questions or any feedback, feel free to leave us a comment in the section below. And whoa, that was quite the vibration from the Samsung. And for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from us.